In this video, I'm going to share with you code that I can use to get this at a very cheaper rate, that I can use to do your weekend subscription and also for your midnight subscription. So if you have been looking for a way on how to get it at a very cheaper rate that I can use for your weekend or for midnight subscription, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be showing you all the code that I can use to get it at a very cheaper rate that I can use for any network, whether you are using MTN, Airtel Glo or 9mobile. I'm going to be sharing with you each of the code that I can use to get it up for all of these networks. If this is the type of video that I like to watch, do well to like this video and also drop your comment at the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods like I work from home and make passive income online. If you're interested, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. So let's dive into the video. I'm going to be starting with Airtel. I'm going to be sharing with you those codes I can use to get cheap data that I can use for your midnight plan on Airtel. Code to get it at a very cheap rate that I can use for your midnight plan on Airtel is *312*2*1*5# *312*2*1*5#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. With 15 I can get 250 MB for your night browsing. You can make use of this code from 12 AM to 5 AM in the night, which means with 100 I can get 500 MB, and with 200 I can get 1 GB of data. This is the code that I can use to get cheap data that I can use for your night browsing on Airtel. Next, we are going to be talking about MTN. I'm going to be sharing with you those codes that I can use to get it at a very cheap rate that I can use for your midnight plan on MTN. Code you can use to get cheap data that I can use for your MTN midnight plan is *406*3#. *406*3#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. With 75 naira, I can get 500 MB. Can make use of this data from 11 PM to 6 AM. With this code, you can be able to get data at a very cheap rate that I can use for your night browsing on MTN. Next, we are going to be talking about Glo, and I'm going to be sharing with you the code that I can use to get it at a very cheap rate that I can use for your midnight plan on Glo and also for weekend plan on Glo. So this is one of the unique difference between MTN, Airtel and Glo, because Glo gives you that advantage for you to also get data at a very cheap rate that I can use for your weekend browsing and also for midnight browsing. Code you can use to get cheap data that I can use for your weekend and midnight is *777*1*1*2*7# *777*1*1*2*7#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. You have 4 options that is available for you that you can use to get data with this code. We have the first 2 options, which is for the midnight plan, and the second 2 options is for the weekend plan. So for the midnight plan, the first option with 16 I can get 350 MB to last for 1 day. You can use it from 12 AM to 5 AM in the night. The second option with 120 can get 750 MB to last for 1 day. You can use it from 12 AM to 5 AM. Then for the weekend plan, the first option with 200 I can get 875 MB to last you for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Then the fourth option with 500 I can get 2.5 GB of data to last you for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. So these are the code I can use to get data at the very cheap rate that I can use for your weekend and midnight plan on Glo. In the next session, I'm going to be talking about those codes that I can use to get data at the very cheap rate that I can use for your weekend browsing and also for your midnight browsing on 9mobile. For 9mobile, the code that I can use to get data at the very cheap rate from 9mobile that I can use for your weekend and also for your midnight plan is *200*3*1*1*5# *200*3*1*1*5#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. So with this code, you can be able to get a midnight plan and also for weekend plan. For the midnight plan, with 200 I can get 1.5 GB of data if you're using this code, and with 300 I can be able to get 3.5 GB of data that you can use. So this is a very good option that I can use to get it at a very cheap rate for 9mobile.